Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Lolo! Happy birthday! Marunong ka ba luwa?
Ano, Monte? Matcha girl ako eh.
What up guys? So, it was our sister Seiya and my girlfriend Melissa's birthday a couple of days ago. Salubungin na natin yan. Kasi it's 11:56 p.m. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wait lang, baliktad tayo, baliktad. Happy birthday kay Babe and kay Ate Seiya. Ate Seiya.
Yay!
Happy birthday!
Birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
That's right, magka-birthday sila. Nagkataon na same sila ng birthday and everything. So every year, palagi kami nag-celebrate for the both of them. And since parehas silang birthday, meron din silang things in common.
Parehas silang mahilig sa matcha.
Ayan, mahilig sila sa mga cafe-cafe. Nagka-cafe hopping sila.
Yes.
Nagma-matcha in the morning, in the night.
That's why nung birthday nila, they threw a matcha/coffee party. Alright guys, so now we are on our way going to Antipolo. So we got an Airbnb out there so that we can celebrate their birthday. Their birthday was actually like yesterday, but today is their celebration. Alright guys, so now that we're here, we're gonna try to like set up their birthday. So I think we're gonna have like a matcha party, matcha coffee party, and some of Melissa and Seiya's friends to come. Ano pangalan niyo kuya?
JK.
Barista yan, si Master JK.
Okay, people, so some of Ate Seiya's friends have arrived. We have Justin,
Party people!
Ate Kylan, Ate Jella. Ate Kylan, Ate Jella, say hi! Hello! Kylan.
Hi, vlog!
Asan yung mga bisita mo?
They're coming. Lagi silang late, pero not today, okay?
Alright guys, also merong nagbabalik dito sa ating vlog. Ayan na. Sino kaya ito? First time niya siya ulit makikita sa vlog. Sino to? Sino to? Lalabas galing sa ref. Chef Marky! Alright! Welcome back, welcome back.
Hi guys!
Andito si Chef Marky temporarily. Anong lulutuin mo ngayon, Chef?
Sunny side up.
Hoy!
Para sa birthday, charot.
Pero ano nga?
Siyempre, birthday, o-order tayo ulit ng handa. As always.
Hindi.
And then magsusushi tayo later.
Si Babe nag-change attire. Tingnan natin kung ano itsura niya ngayon. Yan!
Kamukha ko na yung picnic table.
Oy, may draw yourself! Oh, draw yourself. Yan. Unahin natin yung mga birthday girls. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Ako ba yan? Kalbo na ako.
Tapos sa ilalim, Seiya.
Okay.
Galing nga siya.
Cute ah.
Cute.
Parang kailangan pa ayusin. My forehead's bigger than that.
Alright guys, so I think the party is about to start, so magbihis na rin tayo. Let's change our clothes because this one's not what I'm gonna wear. Alright, all set for the birthday. Order na tayo para meron na tayo mainom. Ano okay dito?
Okay dyan is yung matcha sea salt latte or yung any oat latte.
Kenny oat latte. Kenny na lang. Niana has to go kasi pupunta siya sa event. Alis ka na?
Oo. I'll be back though.
Saan punta?
I'm going to an event and then I'm gonna come back.
Kain tayo guys.
Saan ang ating friends?
My friends are late. I was wrong. Late pa rin sila.
Dito na si ma'am. Yan.
Birthday?
Nakarating ni ma. Makikiparty ka, ma?
Siyempre! Hey! So, mauna pa ako eh.
Wow.
Okay guys, so dumating na ang friends ko. Nadine. Tsaka si Sai.
Terms!
Hi!
Right, ano na?
Hello.
Ano na? Dinner time na and nagagawa sila ng sushi for the night.
I'm back like I never left.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Good morning, you guys. No one's here anymore because it's checkout time. Yeah, the celebration of Babe and Saya. Everyone already left and we're about to leave. So we gotta say bye-bye to this Airbnb. Peace out, yo. We were supposed to do a prank to Saya and Melissa this morning, but we weren't able to do it because Niana was supposed to buy gifts when she was outside, pero hindi siya umabot kasi too late na. Pero di pa doon nagtatapos ang kanilang birthday dahil di pa namin nabibigay ang aming gift sa kanila, and bago namin ibigay ang gift,
Dapat may prank muna.
and ang prank na gagawin natin, since pareha sila mahilig sa matcha, ay
Wasabi matcha prank.
alright, so we're gonna be pranking them with a wasabi matcha prank. And yan, nabili ko na to kanina. Yung wasabi po kaya. Yung ano, nasa paste. Magkano po to? Alright guys, we're all set. We got the wasabi. Wala ng powder, sayang. Pero tingnan natin ano pwede natin gawin dito. And ngayon, ite-testing namin yung gagawin naming matcha wasabi.
Yeah.
By Niana kasi hindi ako marunong gumawa ng matcha. So tara, habang wala sila dito sa bahay kasi si Saya umalis, si Melissa nasa place niya. So tapos mamaya may movie night kami and doon natin gagawin yung prank. So ngayon, testing na natin. Let's go.
We have Chef Marky to help us test out this prank because I have no idea how I'm gonna make this. I always make matcha myself, but I don't know how I'm gonna incorporate this. Kung sa straw ba, or i-mix ba, itutunaw ba, I don't know. So, Chef Marky! Chef Marky! We actually made the first one. We haven't tried this yet. Let's see how it tastes.
Strong.
Try it!
Isang mabilis na sip.
Parang may ano nga.
Di ba parang fresh milk na may ganun? Guys, approve siya. It will work. Basta nasa parang ganito na lalagyan, tapos may straw perfect line.
Parang kulang pa.
Ay, be, okay.
Lagyan pa natin ng mas marami. Alright guys, so we're all set mamaya. Nagawa na nila yung matcha. Matcha wasabi.
Dadaya ko na lang yan mamaya. Pero, we got it. I think, ma-shock sila.
So we're back here in the house and now I'm about to pick up Melissa. And then gagawin natin yung prank mamaya. So papunta na sila dito. Gather lang natin, manonood kami movie tapos prank time in a bit. Ang matcha kaya? Marunong ka ba gumawa?
Ano, Monster? Matcha girl ako eh.
Wow.
What is it? Parang milky or...
Sila na ba lahat ng matcha mo?
Kaya nga, I'll make you matcha.
Baka makatulog kayo eh.
Which one does Pat like and which one do you like?
No, use ko lang the glass. Kasi ano yung masyado malaki. Bawal sipat yan! Sakit sa tiyan! Ba't magtubig ka?
Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun?
Isa pa! Isa pa! Isa pa! Sipat yung unang uminom eh.
Kaya alam ko, ate, drink it!
Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I close my
Close your eyes, mga matcha eating girls.
Okay, open.
Both?
Yes.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chad Melissa. Hope you get the hint. On the way pa siya.
You have a tread, Melissa! It's the one that you want, Kuya Sad, yung gumagano.
Yeah, yung nanginginig pa.
Wow! May bago akong bag, guys. Kailangan ko talaga mahilig ako sa bag.
Tsaka guys, palagi kasi siya naghiram ng bag at tsaka wala pa akong talagang gift sa kanya.
Alright, open your eyes.
Wow!
Happy birthday.
Thank you! Ano kaya
muna.
ito?
Ooh, I've been needing new
Uy,
shoes.
parehas tayo. Ay, hindi ko pala nakikita.
Ay, angat.
Ay!
Twinnies!
Pero
Happy
parang malaki
birthday.
sa akin.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!